Hi, I am here to share with you another interesting story of Swami Vivekananda. So, stay tuned at the end. Swami Vivekananda was a great spiritual leader, but he also had a good sense of humor. One day he was traveling by train in India. He wore simple clothes and looked like a common man. In the same train compartment, there were some British passengers. They saw Swami Vivekananda and thought he was an ordinary Indian man. They started making fun of him. They said, "Hey, can you tell us what the weather will be like tomorrow?" They were mocking him because they believed Indians couldn't know such things. Swami Vivekananda smiled and replied, "Yes, I can tell you the weather. It will be exactly the same as your minds, cloudy and dull." The British passengers were shocked. They didn't expect such a witty answer from a man in simple clothes. They realized he was no ordinary person. They asked him who he was. Swami Vivekananda introduced himself and the passengers felt embarrassed. They apologized to him for their rude behavior. Swami Vivekananda, with a gentle smile, said, "It's all right. It's good to have some humor in life, but it's also important to respect everyone, no matter how they look." The British passengers learned a valuable lesson that day. They understood that wisdom and greatness come from within, not from outward appearances. Swami Vivekananda continued his journey, spreading his teachings and wisdom wherever he went, always with a touch of humor. And so, this funny incident became a memorable story, showing Swami Vivekananda's weight and the importance of respect.